Adobe has just released a new feature called text to vectors. With this, it is so easy to create vectors right now in Illustrator, and as you can see in front of your eyes, I've created the scene with zero experience inside Illustrator with just using text prompts and a little bit of imagination. So if you want to learn how to do this, just keep watching the video and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for future updates just like these videos. So to create vectors like these, make sure your Illustrator is up to date, and how you can do that is go to your Creative Cloud desktop and just click on here update and make sure to update your Illustrator. After that you can launch your Illustrator, and if you cannot see the generative fill right side on the properties like me, what you can do is click on Windows, just click on this text to vector graphics beta. This will open up a new tab and here you have it. So this is the tab, you can just place it anywhere you like. Now I'll start with a new fresh canvas. So I'll just create a new one, and how you can create amazing vectors just like I did before. Just select the rectangle tool over here and just mark that area, and with that with that area selected on the right side, you will be able to edit the prompt, and you will be able to edit each and every type that is listed over here. So what I'll do is I'll just make a scene for now, and I'll make sure it's covering the entire width over here. They also have provided some example prompts where you can select any and you can edit them on your own. So I'll just click on the example prompt over here. It says magical campfire around tense minimal cool winter night colors. You can change the prompt however you like, and make sure it's set as scene so that it creates a very complicated vector scenery. So I'm just gonna select this one, and as you can see, the entire vector file has been created within minutes. Now if you want to add something or change something to this scenery, so what you can do is select the rectangle tool, mark that area where you want to add something to an already generated area, and make sure it's set as subject and not something else. Otherwise it won't try to blend with your originally created vector here over here. I'll just write white moon because I want a moon in the background, and I'll just click on enter. And just make sure to click enable this match active artboard style, as it will extract whatever is there in your artboard and it will try to match with the style of that artboard. So it created a few examples for us over here, and I'm not really satisfied with any, so I'll just click on generate again. So it generated a few examples and I think I like this one, and I'll click on done. And as you can see, it is trying to blend in with our scenery over here. And if you just want to remove the background, all you can do is just keep on clicking on that layer till you select that layer and just click on delete. So that's what I'm doing right now, and we have our moon in the background, and you can see it looks really amazing. Something else that you can do with this feature is I've created this t-shirt over here and I wanted to create a pattern over that t-shirt. So you can see if I'm moving this around that area, it is selecting that pattern, and I've done this with the cap as well, and I've done with these sleeves as well inside this t-shirt over here. So to create examples like this, what you can do is just select the rectangle tool over here. On the right side, I'll just write a t-shirt, and I'll just make it an icon over here, and here you can adjust the details as well. So I don't want any more details, so I'll just keep it at 1 and I'll click on generate. As you can see, it created a very simple vector t-shirt for us. So now if you want to just edit this vector file, and if you want to use generative fill over it again, what you can do is select that t-shirt and make sure your selection is perfect and the area that you want to create a pattern for. Click on generated beta over here. You can use this property panel over here. Click on generated, and here make sure to select pattern and just type in whatever pattern that you like. I'm just gonna keep it as a minimal, and I just want to have it a color of black and white, and I'll just click on generate. So once this is done, you will be able to see and select from the previews over here, and I think I like this the last one over here or the middle one over here. And once you've selected, just click on done, and then you're ready to go with your vector file. So now you can select a shirt, you can move it around anywhere to whatever pattern that you like. And yeah, your pattern is ready over your t-shirt now. You can do this with each and every layer within your vector files, and you can just click on generate beta, and you can keep doing this over and over again. I just created a few more examples. You can see I created a mountain over here, try to create a dragon. And as you can see, I created this mountains, and I created a boat over that. I use this feature called style picker, and you can select any style from any of these images, and your final image, your final vector will have that specific style. So you can use this feature for trying to match your generations with your already created sceneries. If you want to add something to your already generated scenes, make sure to use subject. If you want to create a new scene entirely, make sure to select scene. Or if you just want to create a normal vector file without any backgrounds, just select icons. And if you want to create patterns, this is where you can select it. And this was it with the tutorial, and I hope you create something really amazing with this new feature. It's still in beta, and I think it's just going to get better. So I'll see you all soon on the next video.